Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today I have a super extra large watch unboxing. I don't know the best way to do this. Got a large box behind me with a bunch of watches. Subscriber to the channel sent over some watches to share with you guys, and also asked me to help him sell them. So I think what I'm going to do is I'll unbox them all here, and then I'll list them in my Discord group first, and then we'll see how that goes. So I'll leave a link down below for my Discord group if you guys would like to join. Talk about watches all the time in there. I think it's a good time. It's very enjoyable for me. So if you want to join, that'd be great. And there's a section in there for selling your watches too. So let me grab the first box here. Probably have to pause in between. This should be the Samurai, I believe, the Save the Ocean Samurai. Nope, SARB 035. So we got to figure out the prices for these, but I think this one's going to be about 500 bucks. I think is what I've seen them going for. And these are supposed to be all in good shape, so I'll have to check them all out. A while ago I had a black dial version of one of these on loan. These watches were very good value back in the day, but Seiko's kind of moved down from these. I think these had the 6R35 movement. I don't remember exactly, but anyway, so there's the first one. And I'll have to look for all the links and everything, that kind of stuff, but let's put it back on the pillow here. And I'll pause the video and bring over the next one. Okay, so this one should be a to sell, judging by the box. Okay, I actually have one of these myself. This is the to sell, I don't know what they call it, the Explorer. So we'll have to figure out a price for all these. So I have had one of these on the channel before. Actually, I sold one and I bought one again. So I think it's a well-made watch for the money. Okay, let's bring over the next box. Okay, this one should be the Samurai SRPD 23. Might be the wrong box. Yeah, I think this is the SRPC 9193 maybe. I have it written down somewhere else. Yeah, this is Save the Ocean on the bracelet. Oh, you know what? Yeah, okay. I was thinking this was the older Save the Ocean. This is the newer one. I had the older one. Okay, very cool. Oh, well, you know, yeah, so this is SRPD 23. I was looking up the old Save the Ocean, so let's figure out a price for that one as well. If you guys are interested in any of these, feel free to shoot me an email and shoot me an offer, and I'll communicate it over to the owner of these watches. Yeah, let me pause the video and we'll look at the next one. Alright, so we have a Casio Pro Trek PRG-600YL-5CR. It's kind of like a pressed cardboard box or something, particle board. I don't know. Interesting. Oh, that's right. I think he said this had two straps. So we got a Holben's strap here too. And then a kind of like a two-piece NATO strap. Very cool. I don't know much about the Casio Pro Treks, so I'll have to do some research on this one here. Looks like a nice strap. I've heard of this brand before, so. All right, let's bring the next one over. I've not had anything from this brand before. I believe it's pronounced Review Thoman. Swiss watches since 1853. This is a diver with red bezel, I believe. To find my list. Okay, I guess that's a warranty card. I believe this has a Solita in it, if I remember correctly. Now, let me zoom in. Kind of an interesting case back. Okay, Swiss made. Kind of reminds me a bit of a Steinhardt, maybe a Combat Sub. Yeah, it is an automatic movement. 1,000 feet. So what is that? 300 meter? Let's move the handset. Yep, 300 meter. Okay, screw that back in. Pretty sure the sapphire crystal as well. 60 click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 60 click bezel. Pretty sure that's aluminum. It looks like a nice watch. And it lines up right there. Alright, very good. Okay, let's put this one back in here. I'm doing that the wrong way. There we go. Alright, let me pause the video and we'll bring over the next box. Sorry about the zoom in and out on this. So, Glycine Combat Sub, I think it's GL0288. Yes, so I have the version of this watch on the rubber strap, and this is GL008. I'm sorry, GL0088. This is the GL0288, I believe. I don't know. I'll put it in the description. Yeah, these are nice, very nice watches for the money. And I couldn't really find this one for sale on the bracelet. So again, nice 60 click bezel. It's going to have the Swiss movement. This may either have the ETA 2824 or the SW 200. Kind of luck of the draw around this time frame. This has the previous generation logo. This logo, Glycine had just switched over to this logo right around the time that Invicta had purchased Glycine. So that logo doesn't necessarily mean that it's an Invicta version. It could be a pre-Invicta. Not that it really matters to me either way. Quality, I think the value is the same, whether it's Invicta or Glycine. Alright, let's go to the next box. We have two Hamiltons left here. Yep, sorry, I had to zoom back out again. Okay, so let's see which one this is. If this is the Jazzmaster or if this is the khaki field automatic. So we have the Jazzmaster. Oh, this is nice. It's the Hamilton Jazzmaster day date. Actually kind of looks similar to, well, not really, but I have the Oris day date. Okay, let's zoom in here. It's a nice looking watch. Probably would be a bit too big for my wrist, but looks good. Ooh, butterfly clasp. Looks like no taper on the bracelet. Maybe a slight taper. And there's a view of the movement. I guess Hamilton's been doing this PSI thing for a while. I never really noticed that before. I've only ever seen bar ATM or meter, well, meters and feet. But yeah, 72.5 psi. Very interesting. Okay, let's put this one back on the pillow, and then we go to the last watch in this massive watch unboxing. Oh, that's right. Let me pause the video and I'll be right back with the last one. This one's neat. I have not seen this dial color before. I haven't seen it yet either, other than on pictures, so looking into it, looking at it right now for the first time. So this is the brown dial, or chocolate dial, mechanical, sorry, automatic. Oh, that's weird. The Hamilton, I would have figured it would be like running with the hinge on this side, but the hinge is over there on that side. Why are you doing that, Hamilton? Okay, here we go. I guess the box is a little bit, maybe I'll glue that together or something. I could probably fix that with some super glue. Yeah, this watch is cool looking. I've not seen this style before. Let me zoom in. Sorry about that. Some polished center links. Dual pushers. Milled clasp. Very nice. I'm not sure if this is the, what is this, the H40 or H80 movement or something like that. I'll have to look it up. There we go again with the PSI rating. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, I'll have to do a little bit of research. I don't remember what the movement is on this. Alrighty, let's zoom out a little bit, and you know what, I'll show this one on my wrist here. Let's get it wound up. I do like Hamilton watches. I appreciate their history, being an American brand formerly, and then Swatch eventually bought them out. I don't know if that was around the quartz crisis era or what, but anyway. It's nice looking watch. Hamilton definitely has some bang for the buck. Alright, well, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description to the Discord group if you're interested in joining that, and I will be listing these for sale eventually. I might just do some for sale videos on YouTube here. I haven't really decided yet. Let me know in the comment section what you think is the best way to sell these. I'm thinking I'll put them in the Discord group first, like I said, and then we'll do some sale videos after that. And we'll have some full videos on most of these watches in the near future here. So as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.